Hello everybody, welcome to this how to take under ArcGIS channels. Today I will show you how to solve this type of or error compiling problems when you on editing process at the time of rendering or exporting a file. This type of error is happened. So how to solve this problem? Just simply delete from local disk C the files here. Here is a file. Delete some files from the local disk C. So in this way we will solve a problem of compiling error or now it will rendering. So there is no compiling file error. So just in this way you will solve the problems of compiling error. So by deleting the files from local disk C, so you will simply solve this type of or compiling error problems when you are rendering or exporting a video on the Adobe Premiere Pro software. So in this way you will simply solve a problems. The file just simply rendering without interruptions, without a compiling error. So now finished the files. So in this way you will render or exporting a files without a compiling error. You will solve. Thank you for watching, and I will show you more videos. So because of this you will subscribe and click on notifications all. So thank you for watching.